Do you guys like to cook in the kitchen or not really?
Yes.
Okay, we're in trouble. What is up, party people? Chef Joel here. I'm back with another recipe and with another very qualified 2 sous chefs. We have Hannah and Julia. Let's get started. So first things first, grab an adult, put the pan on a medium-high heat. We've got some chicken breast here, and I'm gonna open this part up, and then I'm gonna add some olive oil into the pan, good amount of olive oil, and we're gonna brown these chicken, okay? So I'm gonna lay them in like this. So our chicken is sizzling away. Now what I want one of you to do is pour all of this orzo, this is the smallest pasta in the world, in the tray. Go for it. Bye-bye. And then I need someone to add all the tomatoes in. We have some chopped and some whole, so go ahead and add them all in, you guys. One at a time, or dump them in, whatever you got time for. Put them all in there. Isn't that kind of funny? Now, does anyone know what this mystery ingredient is?
No.
So this is called artichokes.
Rain.
And these are artichoke hearts that you can drain, but I want you guys to just pour it all in there over the tomatoes. Go for it. Shake it up, shake it, shake it. Amazing. And then Julia, since Hannah did those, can you do the peas? These are frozen peas. Do one of you guys want to try? You want to try? I'll do it with you. You ready? Hold it, squeeze it, turn it over. Good job, Hannah. So I've got some lemons. I don't care if a little bit of the seeds get in there. What I want you guys to do is turn it upside down and squeeze it. So one for you, Hannah, one for you, Julia. Squeeze the whole lemon in there. Go. Hard, 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 hard. I don't see one drop coming out. Squeeze! Now watch, I'm just gonna go for the yellow part and grate it kind of like cheese. So I'm gonna cut up this now as well.
I want to do it too.
So I have the juice of 2 lemons, the zest of 1, and I'm tucking those in. Doesn't that kind of look good already or not really?
No. It looks
Great.
like salad.
It looks like salad. It kind of does look like salad. Now I'm gonna take the chicken, and it's still raw in the middle, and I'm gonna tuck it on top here. I know. But here comes the magic part. You ready? All this stuff in the pan, it's so yummy. This is the chicken. It gave all this good flavor. So I'm gonna take some chicken stock. This is like chicken juice. I'm gonna pour it in here, and I'm gonna scrape it up. So I clean the pan, and then I'm gonna pour it over the top. You ready? And that's gonna soak into the orzo. It's gonna steam the chicken. Anyone know what that is?
Cheese.
Feta cheese. Take some in your fingers, sprinkle it over the top. Let's do it. Yes, good job everywhere. So the way I would plate this, and then you guys promise you'll try it. You don't have to like it, but you'll try it. So I grab a little bit of this pasta. Nice. Yep, I'm gonna put a little cheese on top. That's a great idea. Here, I'll do a little bit more. Cheese? Who's gonna grade?
What's this?
Yeah, faster, 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 faster. So good.
I can do it.
All right, Hannah, your turn. I want lots of cheese. And then I take the chicken. Check it out, right on top. Just do a little bit of parsley. And that, total kitchen magic. Okay, you know the rules. You have to try, but you don't have to like. Let's try the pasta, right? Dig into the bottom. But hot but good. Yes! Amazing! All right, so we got a so-so, hot but good, and I think it rocks. Check it out, chicken orzo bake. Literally 1 platter, lemony, delicious, bright. You'll love it.